What's up everybody, Ben the Realtor AZ here, and thank you for tuning into my channel today. And we're gonna tour a home in Florence, Arizona that's 4-bed, 2.5 bath, plus a heated pool, fire pit, front covered patio, and has a huge office/loft area. You gotta stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Smash up that like button, hit the subscribe button, and definitely hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I drop a new video. Okay, so we're located in a master plan community called Magma Ranch, which is located in Pinal County in a city called Florence, Arizona. Okay, if you don't know where Pinal County is, it's south of Maricopa County, with cities like Maricopa, the city Maricopa, Casa Grande, Coolidge, and Florence, Arizona, just to name a few. So Florence is just south of Santan Valley. This master plan community is just east of Copper Basin. So we're located in North Florence, Arizona. Okay, and if you know about Florence, it's a farming community. A lot of the cities in Pinal County are a lot of our last of the dying breed of farming towns here in Maricopa and Pinal County. Now, this is a community that was built in the early to mid 2000s. A lot of nice homes, still a lot of newer homes here, and it's kind of tucked away. It's by a lot of farmland. Very nice community, and the home that we are going to view today, like I said earlier, is a 4-bed. It has a fifth plus. There's a fifth plus. There's an office area/loft, but it does have a closet in there, so it can be categorized as a bedroom. All right, and this home was built in 2006. The builder was Home Life. The lot size is 6,128 square feet. This home features a front covered patio, as you see here, as well, and in the backyard it has a heated pool and a fire pit. So this is a pretty big house, guys. 2,924 square feet. This house actually, as I was making this video, went under contract. They are accepting backups. If you want to know the price, you got to stay tuned a little longer in the video, and I'll come give you guys the price. I'll be right back. Enjoy the video. All right, I'm back, you guys, and thank you for making it to this portion of the video. And like I said earlier, I promised I will come with the price. Okay, as we look at the office area slash loft slash bedroom, there's a lot that you could do with this space here. And it does have a closet, so you could make it a bedroom, put a barn door there, or put 2 big double doors right there. So the price now. So this home actually went under contract as I was making this video. So a buyer and the seller came to an agreement contractually. All right. And they are accepting backups. So what that means is, say the buyer doesn't pay his earnest money, or the buyer during the inspection found something that he doesn't want to go forward with, he or she doesn't want to go forward with, they can back out of the deal. If you put in an offer and you were accepted as backup position, you would be next in line, right? Next in line to go under contract with the seller. So that is normal. If you didn't know that, some sellers will accept backup position and have backup contracts ready if you don't perform on your end as a buyer. Okay, so with that being said, this house is currently asking and listed at $425,000. That's $425,000. Let me know if you guys think it's worth that much. What do you guys think the home is worth? Would you guys purchase this type of home with this lot size in an era where the homes are being packed really tight with a lot of these new master plan communities? Would you want this type of home at this price in Florence, Arizona? Thank you guys for watching the video. Like it if you love it. Share it if you love it. I truly appreciate you guys watching this video. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button. That would definitely help me out with YouTube's algorithm. And there is that heated pool there in the fire pit, and the backyard is completely paved. You got concrete pavers all around. All right, you guys, I'll see you on the next one.